Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and finally we have the OnePlus 8 with us. So after almost 1.5 months of launch, we finally have the device with us. So there has been a lot of delay with the devices. Even the sales have been delayed due to the lockdown situation and the COVID situation. So now we're going to unbox this. So this is the box package. So it's a pretty lengthy box package. We have the OnePlus 8 mentioned here. On the side it's written OnePlus 8. The back of the box mentions the variant. We have the Onyx Black, 12GB RAM and 256GB storage is the variant. Now there are three variants. One is specific to India, 6GB RAM, that is priced 42,000. Then there is 8GB RAM which is priced 45,000, and this is the 12GB RAM which is priced 50,000, that's 49,999. So we have the 12GB RAM variant, and we're going to unbox this. We'll quickly show you what all comes inside. Then we'll have a look at some of the camera samples, the software features. It also has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 octa-core processor. We have the Dolby Atmos support, and looks pretty good. Now let's do the unboxing. So let's just peel off these stickers. So now we have just taken the cover. Now let's open the box package. So there you go, the never settle OnePlus 8 we have. So this is the Onyx Black. So let's just take this out. So this is the device. So let's just keep this device aside for a minute. We'll just see what all comes inside the box first. So let's just take this. So inside this box you can see the Red Cable Club card is there. So this guide mentioned the highest SAR value you can have in different countries. Then we have some plastic recycling option. Then you get these stickers. So these are some cool stickers included. So never settle and the OnePlus stickers. Then quick start guide. So these guides are looking good actually. Then safety information and the letter of invitation. So you can see this is the letter of invitation. So those are the things included. You get a case included. So it's a TPU case, but you can see there is a never settle branding here. That looks really good. So that's the branding, never settle branding. Otherwise it's a TPU case. Then you get the warp charger, the cable included, and finally you also get the charger here. So let's see this charger. So it's a standard charger what we find on all the OnePlus devices. So we have the 30-watt warp charging. You can see warp 30. So that's the 30-watt charger included with the box package. So that's the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have the OnePlus 8 with us. So let's just peel off these stickers. So you can see that looks really good, but the camera placement has been pretty similar to what we've seen on the previous OnePlus devices. So nothing changed here. You can see the OnePlus logo here and the new OnePlus branding. So this is the new OnePlus logo. That's the difference here. Apart from that, looks pretty good. It's very slim and sleek design. That's something which is really good. We have the alert slider here, the power button. The left side houses the volume rocker keys. The bottom section has the SIM tray, the USB Type-C port, and the speaker unit. The top has the microphone. So the front panel has this. You can see the screen guard installed, and we have this camera as well. So it looks pretty good. It's a triple camera setup, and we'll be doing the camera review later. So we'll talk about that later. So we'll just boot the device. So now we have booted the device. You can see the OnePlus 8. This is a gorgeous 6.55 inches full HD plus resolution display, Corning Gorilla Glass HDR10 enabled display, and on top of that this is 90 Hz refresh rate. So that's the important aspect. You can see that the display edges are a bit curved on either side. So you can see here this is the curved display, and it definitely looks gorgeous in our first trial. So this is looking really nice. And now we'll have a look at the software as well. So this is the Oxygen OS. So we have used the Oxygen OS on other devices as well. You can see it's a really fluid display and a 90 Hz refresh rate. So you could see that it's the stock Android like UI which we see on the Oxygen OS. So let's go to the settings. You can see here display settings, customization options. So a lot of customization options are included. Display has the dark mode as well. So customization, if you go here, the tone, dark tone is there. Just click here and you can see the dark tone applied. So these are the options. You can see that about a system, Just go to update. You can see that there is an update out of the box. So then let's go to about phone. So device name OnePlus 8, Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 12 gigs of RAM, 256GB ROM, 48 plus 16 plus 2 megapixel triple camera, 90 Hz fluid display, and we have Android 10 out of the box, and that's the software version. So it looks really good. Now we'll have to test this and we'll have to see how good the experience is. So first impressions definitely looks really positive. Then we'll also see the camera. It's a 48 megapixel camera. Now let's see the UI. So you can see that the UI hasn't changed much, but there is some change here. So you can see here 12 megapixel, 48 megapixel mode is there. If you go to settings, let's go to settings. So ultra short HDR is there, aspect ratio, video stabilization is included, in fact video resolution, 1080p 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps, 4K 30 fps, 4K 60 fps. Then slow motion is 1080p at 240 or 720p at 480 fps. So these are the options. So you can see the shot on OnePlus watermark option is also there. So slow motion, then panorama, time lapse, all the options are there. Portrait, nightscape, pro mode is also included. So these are the options. So the camera definitely looks great. We'll be doing the detailed testing, and then we'll see how good the experience is. So here are some camera samples we have taken with the OnePlus 8 after unboxing the device. So stay tuned for our detailed camera review. Now the phone comes with a 4300 mAh capacity battery, and we all know that the fast charging is 30 watt. That's almost 50% in just 22 minutes. That's what the company claims. So it's a pretty good fast charging, and this definitely looks great. We'll be testing the device in the coming days, and we'll be doing comparison with other smartphones as well. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the OnePlus 8, the latest smartphone from OnePlus, and this is priced starting 42,000, 45,000 and 50,000. So these are the three variants, and the one which we have is the 50,000 variant, which has 12 gigs of RAM and 256GB storage. So that's it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.